Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Blueprints game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you log in, you will end up within the store page. From here, you can click on the search box, and now just type in Blueprints to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will now take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then continue towards your payment, and now you may use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials as well as the billing information, and once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. And now you can complete the installation in just a few clicks. And after it is done, you may start enjoying the Blueprints game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Blueprints on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.